It's been a while, hasn't it? Let's see. Take a bit of the top, definitely do the sides. Okay. Alright, maybe just a bit more here. Cool, let's give it a little blast. Alright, one last touch up. Okay, looking good.
Come on, 20 roses, 5 today, come on, 5 up.
What kind of flowers do you think she'd like? Okay, I gotta go to work. I'll call you later. Bye.
I don't believe that's true. 3 weeks, and that's it.
That's what they said.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean it's true.
No, but it's what they said, and that's all I've heard from any of them. No one seems to be responding, but that's all I hear.
Everything's going to end in 3 weeks. That's it.
That's what they said.
Because some person on TV said it in the news.
Well, I mean, not because they said it, but as a result, they're saying it.
I don't believe that.
Just need to get away for a short while. Excuse me.
Daddy, I don't want to go.
Get in the car, look after your sister. I'll go and get Mum.
Come check this out. Look at this.
One man has died after being shot during the rising, which has now spread from London to other major cities. The Prime Minister is visiting.
I gotta go get dinner. It's gonna burn.
Parliament, saying thousands more police.
Did you do this?
Police will be deployed.
Dinner.
I urge all the citizens of London.
Can't sleep. What was it that we saw? I just. Power's gone. Just be careful tomorrow, okay? Oh, you're not even awake.
Due to a reported emergency, would all passengers leave the station immediately? Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Due to a reported emergency, would all passengers leave the station immediately? Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Due to a reported emergency, would all passengers leave the station?
They've evacuated everyone. I don't really know what's happening. Look, I gotta go, but meet me in a normal spot. I'll see you soon, okay? Everyone got sent home from work early. I don't know what was going on. It was crazy. The roads were rammed, and there was something on the radio, but there were so many voices on top of each other. I couldn't make out what anyone was saying. Wait, stop. What is that? That is never lit up like that. Oh my gosh, I don't know.